Secrets to optimizing your Google Business Profile in 2026. Hey everyone, Ryan here from Accelerate Marketing. If you want to get more local leads, improve your visibility on Google, and turn your Google Business Profile into a lead generating machine in 2026, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through 5 powerful strategies that are helping local businesses dominate their markets right now. Before we dive in, if you want a free audit of your Google Business Profile, text audit to 619-304-5155 and my team will show you exactly where you're losing visibility and leads. So why is your Google Business Profile more important than ever in 2026? So your Google Business Profile in 2026 is even more important than ever because Google still prioritizes local search results. It shows that Google local service ad section, it'll show the maps, and then typically it'll show organic, and sometimes it'll show some PPC up there, but typically it'll be in that order. Local service ads, a little PPC, and then maps and everything else. Really what you want to do is continue to get those reviews, continue to get engagement, continue to post content on your Google Business Profile page because everybody knows that the behavior is pointing towards people still continuing to look on their phones and they're looking directly at your Google Business Profile to see if they should choose you or somebody else. A lot of times when they're referred to a business, what are they going to do? They're going to search for your business name in your city. And it's so important that you show up on the maps with a great reputation, great reviews, great content, meaning great posts on your Google Business Profile page, and that you show up as close to the top as possible to infer that authority. So the other question I get a lot of is how do you fully optimize your categories and services? Well, first and foremost, select the main category first for your business. Make sure that that category is what you want it to be. And the way to find out if it really is what it needs to be is you look at the other businesses that are showing up in your area and identify what keywords they're showing up for, what categories they're actually listing in their business, and what keywords they're showing up for. That will give you an idea of what category you want to select. That's going to determine what keywords you show up for when people search. The other thing you want to make sure of is you want to make sure that your second categories are selected very strategically as well. And you want to fill every section out to make sure that you have the best chance to show up. It's key to have that primary category selected and those secondary categories selected very precisely. Another question I get a lot is why does posting consistently on your profile matter? So it really does matter because Google is looking to see who is using their platform. Basically, Google gives you a website for free. You basically have access to your own blog on your Google Business Profile page. And that allows you to create offers, answer FAQs for any updates that you have as a business. And you can add photos, all kinds of photos about your business. So what it does is it increases the signals that Google gets that you are proactively creating content for people that are looking for businesses like yours. And Google has been known to look at those images now. I mean, AI can identify what are on the images and identify certain types of services even. So it really does help you and will help you more and more to not only create written content, but image content and posting that content on a regular basis because Google, guarantee you, they're looking at those photos and they're identifying what type of services you offer to figure out where to place you in the search results. How important are reviews and review responses in 2026? Reviews and review responses will always be important. Social proof is one of the 5 psychological triggers that people use to determine which business they're going to go with. The impact that recent, consistent reviews can make on your business is really immeasurable. Reviews have and always will be a very, very important part of your Google Business Profile page and your Google Local Service Ads page. Why? Because it's social proof. And social proof is one of the 5 psychological triggers. I think it's probably the most important of all 5 because it literally tells you what other people are saying about that business. So you want to get reviews consistently. You want to get them as recently as you possibly can. You want to respond to those reviews. That's one of the sayings I like to say is how you do anything is how you do everything. And if you are not responding to reviews, are you going to be as consistent in responding to them as a client? I don't know. So I think it's really, really important that everybody, as quickly as you possibly can, respond to reviews, especially negative reviews. If you get a negative review, try to pull that person aside. Try not to make it a public forum, where you're duking it out with that person over whatever they're saying about your business. You want to definitely take it offline, and you want to make that person feel like they're heard first and foremost if it's a negative review. So the more reviews you can get, the more frequently you can get them, the higher the star rating you can get. Although we have seen that if you have a 4.8 star rating versus a 5.0, strangely enough, people trust those businesses more that have a 4.8 than the 5.0. Very interesting. So don't fret if you actually, don't worry about it if you actually get like 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 star reviews, because as long as you respond to them, people understand it's impossible to be perfect all the time. So another question I get is, what role do photos and videos play in rankings? Well, businesses with consistent high quality photos and videos tend to generate more engagement. That's just 100% true. If you post consistent photos and videos, especially if you can get videos or photos from somebody leaving a review, that is probably the most valuable content that you can get. User-generated content, not just in the form of a written review, but in the form of a photo of them with you, or a video of them talking about the service that you did. That is super valuable, and it ranks really high on Google's algorithms, and specifically in the Google Business Profile section. How are AI tools like Gemini influencing local visibility? So there's typically a little section that is an AI generated section. And who do you think is going to show up there? I mean, I was talking to a weight loss clinic the other day, and they did a really good job of creating content. They had a YouTube channel that was connected to their Google Business Profile page. They had filled out their Google Business Profile page to the max with posts, and they posted photos, etc. Well, who do you think was featured in the AI section? The business that posts the most content. And why would that be? Because AI has the most access to data to identify how this business really works, what they actually do, what services they provide. So it only makes sense if you give AI more content, it's going to be able to serve your business up more frequently, because Google knows that you're the go-to business for all of those types of services. If you're ready to optimize your Google Business Profile and start generating more local leads in 2026, text Audit to 619-304-5155 right now to get a free Google Business Profile audit from our team. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your business with local SEO and Google rankings.